name's Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate horchata at home. This is such a delicious and easy recipe that you're going to start making your own horchata all the time. To get started, you want to get a glass and put a half a cup of rice in it. Today I'm just using a regular white rice, but if you're health conscious, you could also use brown rice instead. Then I'm going to add a cinnamon stick. I'm going to actually break my cinnamon stick in half. And then I'm going to fill it to the top with water. Now I'm just going to let this rice and water mixture sit for at least 4 hours or up to overnight. Once your rice and cinnamon mixture has been sitting for at least 4 hours or overnight, it is ready to make into your horchata. I'm going to add it to a blender. Everything, including the cinnamon stick. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar. If you want it extra sweet, you could add a little bit extra. I'm going to probably add 2 tablespoons. And if you want your regular traditional horchata, you could make it just like that. But because we're making chocolate horchata, I'm going to add a little bit of cocoa powder. So I like to do equal amounts of cocoa powder to the sugar. So because I added 2 tablespoons of sugar, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. If you wanted to make a more traditional style chocolate horchata, you could actually put some raw cacao pods inside the rice when it's soaking. Now I'm going to put my lid on my blender and just puree it until everything is smooth and blended. Because you have the rice and raw cinnamon sticks in your horchata, you want to blend it until everything is smooth and combined together. Now that everything is finished mixing, I'm just going to pour it over some ice and it is ready to serve. This is Mariko showing you how to make chocolate horchata. Enjoy.